suffer now, you'll never cry again. Josie, don't stop dreaming of being there before. I know they're feeling, but they don't want you anymore. Josie, don't stop dreaming. Tell me life's a blow. I know you're dealing with growing up before you're grown. It's true, it's hard on you. He said, I can't tell you much about life, but I know a thing or two about living. And if you're in for a hell of a ride, maybe the risk that you'll be taking was just a chance that you were given. She had a soft spot for the wild ones, with their big old hearts and dust in their boots. Every woman and their mamas got their reasons to think they wanna go with her. Bring home the good news, singing three fingers whiskey, time in my hands. We can take it easy if you're still on the fence. You can wait all night for a cocaine cowboy, stopping in for a beer. But it ain't too likely he's digging around here. See, he ain't the one who's getting by above him, sucking up to the suits who own the world. Oh, if he's gonna get high, it won't be on guitar strumming, and he gets away with murder. Not only have a way with words, singing three fingers whiskey, time in my hands. We can take it easy if you're still on the fence. You can wait all night for a cocaine cowboy, stopping in for a beer. But it ain't too likely he's digging around here. He ain't too likely digging around here. Was she looking for a shoulder? Did I ever even try? Like a bum, she's on the run, but this time said, man, I wish I had the guts to say out loud, oh Lord, won't you grant her some wisdom and some peace, that old record that I left her, she can keep. I just can't stand her trying to be free. Oh, just when you think you got it, it don't mean you got it made. I learned a lot, but I never got the tricks of the trade.